Right. Yesterday class, I covered some basic Excel things. Example, formula bar. This is the menu bar. Menu bar means menu items. Okay, menu items. Every this called menu or ribbon. Every ribbon have some basic tools. Every tools uh, used to specific task. Okay, and the yesterday class I covered these basic editing font styles and alignments, indentation and wrapping, merchant center, and basic number format. Okay. Today we will start from this session. These are the data. Okay. Now we can put the formatting for this selected text. Now select the header row and you can set the background color and other things also. You can apply font color or background styles, different background styles, and sir, my address. And one student mentioned about how so my laptop is not working. Okay, I will discuss about this later. Without laptop desktop, practical session difficult to you. Okay, please give your available laptop or desktop available or not. Your feedback in the chatting box. I will discuss with our dean or our staff. Then I will give the next week. Okay, right. Okay. These are the data. So you can put the borders for these selected data. So if you want to apply these basic formatting, first you want to select entire data set. Okay? And another formatting called conditional formatting. The conditional formatting, you can apply any formatting according to your condition or criteria. Okay, but these other basic formatting apply to all selected cell. But the conditional formatting format according to your given condition or criteria. Okay, so now here select this data. These are the all marks data. So we will say we consider this set of the students more than 500 students. So difficult to find how many who are get 70 or 85 above 85 marks for 3 subjects. One said the marks one who are got their marks above 85. So we can give any color, fill color or font color to our condition with our condition. So using this conditional formatting, you can apply this formatting as your condition. Click this one. Here already have some predefined arrangement or conditional arrangement already listed. So you can draw the rules in yourself. Okay, but these are the default one. Greater than, like this, or less than, like this. Some these are the predefined. Using this more rule or the manage rule, you can customize. So you can draw in yourself. Okay, and this is also some criteria, some conditional formatting, predefined formats are applied. This is the bar. You can apply this. You can see here. You can the output here. Using this one, according the cell value, you can place bar shape. Okay, so according the cell value, within the maximum value, and find the bar. The bar length different from the cell value. Okay. The next one, the color differences. According to the cell value, the minimum to maximum, the color will be changed. Okay. And icon set, you can put the icon using the value range. This type of symbol place this type of value, and this type of symbol display this type of value, or you can set for the range, marks range or value range. Okay. If you want to customize yourself, you can click this one, manage rule. Okay, this manage rule. When you click the manage rule, now first selected the marks one only, and the first one you want to select the area, and then this is the conditional formatting rule manager. Click this new rule, and then select format only cell that contain. Second one. This means you want to apply some conditional formatting to your selected cell. So selected cell content. So that's mean formats only cell that contain. Cell value between this one, or I put here greater than or equal to how many? 85. Okay, 85. Then select the format according this rule or condition. What are the formatting? So click format, and here you can apply different font number style, or you can apply different font style. Okay, different font style, or you can apply border around this cell. This they apply for cell only, no? So borders. So also you can fill the color. Now I set the color as green color of the particular cell. The cell content above or equal or greater than or equal 85. Now I select green color, fill color. Now this is the condition. Okay, the cell value greater than or equals 85. That cell background the green color. Click OK. Now this one rule applied, and then click apply. Here the automatically find the data and make color. Sometimes after that I change this one 35 changes 89, automatically fill color. And when you change, sometimes I reduce this value. So using this conditional formatting, you can apply any color according to your given condition. Here I applied only one style. Now I again go to select the content here, and select the manage rule, and already one rule applied. I add more one. Click new rule and select again format only cell that contain, and the value between or less than. I select between here, between or less than, or between 85 to 50. What is the color? I select yellow. Okay. And again new rule, select contain less than 50. What is the color? Select this color. You can select fill color or border color or anything. You can select borders or borders color, all you can set. Or font color also you can set. Now I said this red color. Click OK. Then OK. Now 3 rule applied. Like this, you can apply more styles according to your condition. Here my rules, less than 51 color, red color, 52, 85, the yellow color, above 85, that's the green color. Whenever you can change. And now I select this one and edit rule. You can edit your previous setting. Okay. And you can change the criteria or you can change the format style for the already applied rules. Now 3 rules are applied. Whenever you can change or edit the rule or delete rule. If you decide this rule want to be deleted, you can delete. Select the rule and click this one, automatically delete this particular rule. Okay. Now click OK button or apply button. Now your values are changed according to your condition. Okay. The the rule conflict. I will explain the rule conflict here. Here, this value, the cell value between 85 and 40. The between means including these 2 values. Including these 2 values. Between means including to 85 and 50, the border value. Okay. Whenever in our mathematics or in Excel, the between means the both values are included. Here 85 here or here included here and here also, because here I select less greater than or equal to 85. So 85 green and yellow color. Now I change this one. Change this one, not 85, 84. That's okay. Less than the between the 84, because 85 under the first category, the green category, because first one greater than or equal 85. So this one less than 84. That's mean less than or equal for 84. Okay. Right. Click apply. Okay. Now these are the green color. When you change this the value, now I change this value as 45, automatically apply the particular given condition. Okay, so you can apply for this rule to all other cell also. Okay. Right. And this one, here, these are the conditional formatting, and here the under this area, cut copy paste. You know the cut copy about the cut copy paste. Okay, you can cut the content from one location to another location by paste, or cut from original location and paste another location. Or otherwise copy your contents from original location to paste another location. Okay, but the format painter, what another one is format painter. Format painter, when I select format painter means when you click this format painter, the previous one, cut and copy, the cut or copy the function or cut or copy the contents only. But the format painter, when you click I select this one here, I select this cell and click the format painter. Now your cursor cursor with the brush shape, like this brush shape. Okay, so that's mean the selected cell formatting, all formattings are copied now. All formatting means font style, font size, color, or background color, border, all are formatting. So now copy. Here this cell, conditional formatting applied, the Cambria font set it, and the font size and all things are copied now. Then you want to paste this particular formatting rest of the data. So click and drag your paste change. Now this formatting also apply to rest of the cell. So using this format painter, you can copy the entire formatting. Entire formatting means font style, font size, font color, background color, and any other formatting related to cell, particular cell. Copy using this option, and then you can paste others data. If you want to remove this conditional formatting, select the data and again go to the conditional formatting and manage rules. Okay, manage rules and select and delete. Click OK. Now all setting of conditional formattings are deleted. Okay. Otherwise, another ways, select the data and under the conditional formatting, another one, clear rules. Clear rules. Select the clear rules and then clear rules from selected cell or clear rules from entire sheet. Sometimes you set some conditional formatting for this selected cell only. Sometimes you can set different conditional formatting in different area in the sheet. When you click the click rules from the entire sheet, the all entire sheet conditional formatting are deleted. If you remove the particular selected area only, select this one, clear rule from selected cell. Now all conditional formatting under the selected cells are removed. Okay. Right. Now, these are the data. I formatted some the basic formatting, header row, or this shaded some color, and body text are shaded and border given. But select the data, this deep table, and here the styles, format data as these list of formatting are table formatting. This is also predefined, already predefined by Excel. You can apply any style for your this. Now apply to particular cell. Okay. So using this format, using the predefined. Okay. And then we will move at another part, the calculation part. Now total. Now you want to find the total for these 3 sub marks. Mark the every percent is the VML have the 75 marks to got marks for this subject, and 75 also this subject, and 75 for also this subject. Now you want to find the summation of 3 results. So you can use this one plus this one plus this one. So using this mathematical plus sign, you can calculate the cell contents. Now this means find the summation of C2 cell content plus C2 D2 cell content plus E2 cell content. Okay, so you can use the mathematical operation, the plus or minus or division, or you can use any mathematical operation. Plus enter. Now this is the summation of these three values. Then you can drag and drop this entire formula to rest of the cell. Click this the right hand to bottom corner, click and drag, and this rest of the cell you can find the summation. Okay, so using this cell address you can use this basic formatting. So sorry, basic mathematical calculation. So mathematical operators are there. Operators plus, plus addition. Okay, plus. Then now this is a plus. Okay, plus. Then minus. This is a subtraction. This asterisk here, the computer field asterisk is the multiplication symbol. No, multiplication symbol, multiplication, and division. This one is division, and this one cap sign. Cap sign means power. If you get 2 cap 3, that means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. That's mean 8. This is the 8. So this mathematical operator symbol for the power. Okay. This one's in division and multiplication. 6. Okay, so you can divide or multiply or subtract or addition using the basic mathematical operation, and also you can use this cap sign to find the power 2 to the power 3. Okay, so using this basic the arithmetic mathematical symbol, you can calculate the results. Whenever you want to enter the equation, first start with equal sign. Okay, otherwise we can't calculate. Here, when if you remove this equal sign, this is a normal text. Normal text. Okay, normal string text. And if you want to, if you put the equal sign, now this is the formula. And this this C2 as actor C2 cell content and D2 cell content and D2 cell content. The 3 values are added. Okay. And here also we can find the summation of this one. Summation of this one. Okay. In the taskbar, here in the taskbar, here this is average. Now I selected data. I think now I select this one, marks 1. Okay, I select this marks 1, and now this is the average. This is one count. This one summation or total. Okay, so when you select the data in Excel sheet, automatically some basic values are appear in your status bar. This is the status bar, last one. Okay, the average value for the selected cell, and count how many values in the selected range, and the summation of the selected range. Okay, and And when you right click on this, on the status bar, now the average, count and sum are selected. If you want to find the maximum or minimum, you can select this one. And numerical count. This count means count all numbers, all not numbers, all contents. That's maybe numerical value or text value. But the numerical count means only count the number of numerical values. How many numerical values within the selected cell. Okay, you can tick these values also. If you tick this one, this value is also appear in the status bar. Okay, right. These are the basic guidelines for your selected content, not format. Okay, right. Now, if you want to find this total here, here equal sign, and this one plus 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 like this. This is difficult to write formula. If your student numbers more than 500, you want to add 500 letters plus 500 plus. So this is difficult to find this way. Okay. So the directly applied arithmetic operations is easier in the small number of calculations. The large number of lists, we want to use another method. That's method sum function, S2M. This function means summation. Okay, I will explain this function. The functions, more functions are listed in Excel under the mathematical function. The categorize every functions. The mathematical function, text function, statistical function. You can see all function in the under this one formula. Here, financial. These are the financial function. Financial related function. This is the logical function. This is the text function. This is the date and time function. It's the date and time function. Okay. This is the lookup functions and mathematical and trigonometric function. More functions, statistical function, engineering function. I think more than 500 functions are available. These functions are already the predefined or created as program. You can apply directly. Okay. Example, I will explain one by one. Here in your subject, I will explain about 20 or 25 functions, but more than 500 functions are available. Others are most advantages. Okay, 20 or 25 functions enough to you, the basic calculations. First, I will explain about sum. Okay, first put the equal sign, then SUM, sum. When you type a sum, the sum related functions are listed. Sum if, sum product, sum square. So like these are the different functions. Okay. Now I will explain about sum function. So I will start the bracket. Now your functions are here. So when you like this one, the first selected function is sum now. Okay, selected function sum now. At all the numbers, the description of these selected functions appear in right side or near the selected cell. Now sum selected, and add all the numbers in the range of cell. That means sum means add all the numbers in the range of cell. Next one, sum if. You can move the selected cell appear in blue color. You can change this the selected option using up and down arrow. Okay. The second, sum if means add the cell specified by a given condition of criteria. And then one, so you can find what is the description of the every function. Now I need this one, first one, the sum. Add all the numbers in a range of cell. Okay. Now I put the open bracket now. Now you can find the syntax or common format of this function. So that the function organized with sum, okay, with sum, sum is the function. Within the bracket, you can put number of values. In earlier version of Excel, before 2007, the maximum number of numbers within the sum function limited with 30 numbers. But nowadays, you can find the sum more than 30 values. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So you can put numbers 3, 5, 6, 8, okay. Now find the summation of 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4, 5 plus 4. And after that, you can close the round bracket. Sometimes if you want to find about this function more, you can click this one function. This everyone click the hyperlink. Okay. When you click this sum, your summation help, Excel help will open. This Excel help explain what is the function, sum function. What is the function? What is the common format? And what are the these are the examples. Syntax here and the practical sum. These are some practical questions. What is the sum and range? Small. More than explained there. So you can find your about your drawing function using help. This is the Excel help, right? Right. Okay. And now I close the bracket. Now this formula find the summation of these list of 5 values. Press enter key. Now 28. Okay. Now I put with this list this cell address example like this this one. This means find the summation of these 5 values and plus F2 cell content plus F2 cell content. The F2 have the 225 values. So summation of these all values with 225. Okay. Right. Press enter key. 253. So within this sum range, not only the sum function, most of the Excel function have you can apply within this bracket or within this the argument. You can put numerical value directly or cell address. Now 5 numerical value within this function list plus 1 cell address. Otherwise, you can select this one. Okay, I put some single symbol value here. Right. Now, I select this one. This set of lists. Okay. Now, this function changes like this. sum 5 comma 6 comma. So this function will return the value of summation of this 5 listed value plus this cell range contents. This is a cell range. This colon means O2 to O6, O2 this one, O6 this one, O2 to O6 this range of cell. Okay. Now find the summation of these 10 values. Okay. Press enter key is the summation of 10 values. Here directly listed 5 values and cell range listed 5 values, total 10 values. Okay. Right. Now I put another value. You know this the 52, no? Right. Now I add this value within the double quotes 5. Press enter key. Now the 57. So earlier one 52. Okay. So but in a computer field within the double quotes that's mean text value. But here within the function formula or function syntax, this text value changes numerical value. So actually this text value is 5. That's the numerical value, but within the double quotes means string, but function convert this value within the double quotes A. Press enter key. Now the error message will appear. This error message, the system, the Excel say it cannot find the actual value. Okay, so you can't calculate the text value here. Here also the value A value within the double quotes. Within the double quotes means text value, but previous one change as integer value because the content is numerical one, but here not numerical. A is not numerical. Okay, right. And another one, TRUE, true. If you put true here, true and false, two values are there. True and false, both are logical values. Both are logical values. True means the 1, false means 0. If you are put here true, that's mean logical value. This logical value is equal 1. Now 1 numerical value. If you put false here, that's mean false equal to 0 numerical value. Okay. Now 53, because 52 plus 1, true return 1. If you put the false here 52, because false return the numerical value 0. Okay. Now I put here, delete this previous one summation. Now we can draw new function sum. Okay, sum within the bracket. You can select this range of cell. Find the summation of this range. Click close bracket. Now this function return the summation of the contents of C2 to E2 cell content. Okay, click and drag rest of the cell. You can find the summation. Like this, here you can find S2M sum within the select the range of data. Now this data may be 100 or more than 500, no any issue. Select the entire data, close the bracket. Now press the enter key. Now this is the summation of this value, and drag and select and drag. These are the summation of every cell. When you double click on this, you can find the formula. Double click on this, you can find the formula. Otherwise, press F2 key, F2 function key, the cell active. Otherwise, you can find the cell formula in your formula bar here. Formula bar. Okay. Right. When here you write the formula in this cell only. This cell range C2 to E2. Then drag and drop here. The next cell automatically increase by 1. Previous one C2 to E2. Now change as C3 to E3. Next one C4 to E4. Next one C5 to E5. Okay. Now from this concept you can conclude when you copy and paste or drag downside or any other side, the cell values are formula are copied rest of the cell with particular cell reference. Okay, cell reference here C2 E2 change next C3 E3 and C4 E4 increase by 1. This is called cell reference, mixed cell reference, mixed cell reference. So when you apply the formula with mixed cell reference, when you drag and drop, the cell value increase by 1. But here this one C2 to E2. Okay, I drag right side towards the right side. Then next one, this one D2 to D12. Next one E2 to E12. Here the 2 to 12 number not changed, row number not changed, but column name changed by 1. Here column name E, C, here D, here E. Okay, so when you drag your copied cell right side to left side, change the column name only, not change the row number. But if you change the value downside or upside, now the column value not change, but row number change. This type of cell reference called mixed cell reference. Okay, right. Another average. Average. Okay, using this average function, you can find the average. Okay, now I select here average column. You want to find the average of these three numbers. So select here average function here, and within the bracket the syntax of this average function. Within the bracket you want to list the numbers to find the average value. Here my number list here, this one. Select the range. Okay, now close the close bracket and click OK. This is the average of this value. Then you can copy and paste rest of the cell. Now this is the average, but here some numbers are in integer values, some numbers are floating values in different decimal places. I think this is not a good one. So you can change this value, all values in same decimal places. So already explained about this increase and decrease decimal places. Using this increase decimal place or decrease decimal place, So you can change this one. So I select this one, increase or decrease, do 2 decimal plus enough. Then I select this center alignment. Okay, now this is like this better than previous one. It's all average value in 2 decimal place, including integer values. The all values are rounded. Okay, rounded in 2 decimal place. So using the average function, you can find the average value. Okay. Right. Average. Okay. Like this average function, your sum function, average function also in the bracket, you can put the values with brackets and also TRUE, true. That's mean 1. Now this find the average value for 4, 5, 8, and 1. This actually this true value return 1 numerical value. Okay, and sometimes this value is false, that means 0 for 2025. Okay, right. I think today is enough. You are from 9:30. Actually today not my time. So I covered a balance of the 1 hour. Okay, my class time is fixed. Okay, this class time, that's one of the miss class time. Okay, that's enough today. I will explain later. Today covered this the formatting and conditional formatting and basic mathematical operations, and then 2 functions, more function available. I explain about 2 functions, total and average. Okay, rest of the other functions, sum if, average if, count a, count if, so many functions are available, mostly used in your real world. Okay, most of the functions are using in real world applications. So you must know about these basic functions. Okay, I will explain in